Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack uqophololo nenkohlakalo SAPS. Yakhumbula ukuthi nje kahle hle manje sekuyi-series basically that's going on with SAPS. Nangu Captain phela Roshanal Banawe. Ubrothers, why he captain? A whole captain. Because I don't even understand what happened there. Was he greedy? Did he want this one's position? What's up with that? Like, I'm still trying to figure it out. What was this? What was he trying to delete? The Major General, the commissioner at the time, Mzinyati commissioner. What was that? Why? I'm like, I brothers at 63. Why? So he was actually, the judgment came out, Captain got 10 years in jail. And to a point where they were even trying to defense. The defense even pleaded along with his personal circumstances, he's 63, he's old, please, Nkosiyami, Mzwileni, Shwele, Bandla, please suspend other years. That's how he got the 10 years, I think. Because now he has 4 children, he's old already at the Newcastle Magistrate Court. This is where all this happened. And Mkhwanazi was there, our good Samaritan. I mean, I like Mkhwanazi, although since Sabela naye. The current CP, Commissioner like KwaZulu-Natal, he was also there. Yeah, so I was still saying, Ugutu Captain Roshanal Banawe was trying to delete Francis Lambert. And he tried it 3 times and he was arrested in 2023 in November. Because, you know how these things work, can't it? There's someone who in the Kabilazers that he hired basically to go delete Brothers Law Francis, Major General Mzinyati at the time. 3 times, guys, and offered 50,000. One of them spoke, man. That's just my thing. But why couldn't you just live your life and you were just about to retire? That's just my thing. It's greed, guys. Did you want this job? Did you want the commissioner job? You ask yourself. Trying to delete someone 3 times, nayi. August 3. He's not going anywhere. What must we do? So Nhlanhla has been involved in this case now. He's been involved in this case, trying to find this guy until this guy azaboshoke kanjena in 2023. Remember, guys, I told you Gutu Patricia Mashala has a big Facebook live every time there on Facebook. She's huge there. I think she has at the time, she had about 55,000 followers there. That was a month ago. Now, people have fake accounts and all of that. Some Silo Twala guy came there. That's not him, guys. Silo Twala Putika. Longo Tala Mkumbula Ngiti Ubababu Pisa Wati. I was in the US, about 2 Banchonjam and Bang Mangas. They are sound engineers. Why would they steal my stuff? They must just concentrate on their careers. I was like, which careers? Mobile children have never had careers. Wabamo Shabantuan. As this is now, each of them have a turn us in 4 ways. Ubamoshile when I is a father, and you keep on protesting them. Every time ulongo maifunu kuluma. No, he is not fit. He's in rehab. Mongambo pisang. Wababo pisa about 2 to this day into akona izwakali, and the other one came out omncane lo Silo Twala, who's now an imposter. There on Facebook uthi yena o Silo Twala uthi wena ma uthi uborekile wena Patricia Mashala ngicela uhlukane nolibele ubusy nomfowethu. And mina, my brother, you'll never challenge him, you'll never come to court, he'll never do anything. Although I feel that's not him, the one that has a fake account on Patricia Mashala. Do you think Patricia Mashala cares about those things? She told him off low muntu lo is feel fake. Listen here, do I care about the show? I don't, bruh. Nala, this is not about you, whoever you are. Even if you think you Silo Makego, I mean Silo Twala wangempela wakubo kalonge Twala. It's fine with me. But my thing is that Tina, we are just looking for justice for Senzo Meyiwa. And we actually very near. That's what he was told. But I was like, we are so near. We keep Abantamanga in that court. When the court opens again on the 19th on Monday. When we busy lokufakaza into ongazazi. La, ku-social media ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyakusaba ucabanga ukuthi ngizokusabisa. Athi, ofake noNkulunkulu, this silo thwala ukuthi ene awubonanga yini ukuthi uNkulunkulu akadingi ukuthi asetshenzelwe ayisebenzela yena ubona uphelele phi uTefu in those things zokusatshiswa because angithi Patricia Mashale is one of the whistleblowers, especially on this case the biggest whistleblower, who's like, no, we're going to prove people wrong ukuthi there were no intruders in that house. And fanele ukuze kudelete abantu ukuthi sithole iso, we must get the truth from deleting people and being lied to in court. No, ngeke sindawo umtshele kahle atlalela ke whatever you say naye lo bephendula lo fake account usilothwala ngeke asinandaba, we don't care. Yeah, usile wena Patricia Mashale, this is the truth, alikhilingi iqiniso wathi uPatricia Mashale lalela, I don't care. And that thing, it happens even here on YouTube. Angizakhumbula nami ngangithuka beginning of the year because you believe what you wanna believe angithi wena uze washo futhi naye lo usilo thwala wathi ngizokhola into engiyikhola. People wanna believe what they wanna believe, and guys, I've said it even on this channel, it's fine, believe what you wanna believe, but uMaka Senzo Meyiwa deserves the truth, and she is going to get the truth, I promise you that. Things will turn around, mark my words. And it's funny, mina make ngathi mark my words start to happen. Umoto sangisho ukuthi ene mark my words, he will get what he deserves. He will get what he deserves. Ngeke uzufike ube busy ngani over 60 counts. Kulobe 32 counts. Which counts are they? Like zingaki ama counts ka Omotos. He's still roaming around in our country. And my thing is that he's in the hotels somewhere here in somewhere actually in Eastern Cape. Singithi here. Ungathi mina ngise Eastern Cape. Somewhere. Who is still roaming around. And I said uzophinda futhi lo kade kwenza. But he's being enabled to do it. I mean, that's just my thing. Including the people who deleted Senzo Meyiwa. Basaphila bona. And they must account to what they did. Why can't they just take accountability? That's just my thing. But imina engakwenza. I'm done. Ngathela. I want to be free. Please, guys. Uzofika nini lapho? No, abantu bazobevula ama-fake accounts besabisa abantu, like I'm saying ukuthi even on the channel it has happened so many times. Umuntu uzofika ay ukhuluma ngani? Awuyazi nesikesi kaSenzo Meyiwa, awazi nokuthi ukhuluma ngani. I'm just like, whatever. Uzoxoxa abantu lokuyixoxa in people's channels. That was my line around that. So nango ku-fake account naye ubhizi sabisana nomuntu wrong. Patricia Mashale, I mean, ayisabayo at this point at this point in time. She's not afraid of anything. She's just like, whatever. What are you gonna do? So there were no intruders in that house. Senzo Meyiwa, one of the people who were in the house. And bawuthiwa abantu abasolekayo. Kushiwo even in this live that they were talking. Where they were talking at the live, she was like, listen here. Ulonge Thwala noKelly, between the two of them, they must tell us. Usevela bayisangoma ngithi uKelly. Uyamazi ukuthi she went again live futhi naye. Wazokhuluma lento ukuthi mawumuntu, if you are gifted and you are given stuff by your ancestors, ne, njobe say spiritual healers stroke sangoma. Uthi uKelly. I made a video about this ne on News Gallo for days. Please check that video about a week ago, where I was saying Guguti, now she just goes on a trance and then she goes and lashes out sort of, about spirituality and Sangoma. So she's saying things like the divine, the collective divine, mawumuntu ukuthi ubonge izinto zakho. You need to do some things. I'm not sure, for your abundance, your blessings, and all of those things. She spoke again about 2 days ago. Mangithi 2 days ago, the 13th and the 12th of May. She was talking. Listen, into zakho fanele uyibonke. You don't just deserve them, they are given to you. all these blessings and your abundance and prosperity and whatever is going on in your life, if into zakho ihamba kahle. As a collective, divine collective, we need to thank our things in life in general. So naye ke uyena osolekayo ngithi benolongwe yakhumbula, although ulongwe is mostly number 1, yena she's number 2. Uyena how she comes out ngokuthi ulongwe wafika nesibhamu sabo abakwamnika sona wayedlalisa uKelly ezedubula usenzo. And someone even said one day ayikho lento lobele kuthiwa umthoko wafonela uhlophe isibari sika Senzo wathi how there's been a mistake uSenzo udubekilekile. It wasn't a mistake, it was an intent. They meant to kill him. The fact that bake bamhlalisa bengamisile bamfaka emotweni instead of calling the ambulance and the police bafonela uChico, they meant for him to go basically. So people mustn't come and bakhulume some crap they know nothing about. So bese kuphendulwana ke sekugivwana ku Facebook ilalela listen I don't care about you. Yeah, uyokhuluma uzukhathale futhi a fake account. There's no way ungaba uPhuti Kalongwe wena on Facebook live. Please stop. Bamtshela ku brothers fake account usilo thwala. Chances are it could have been him. Washo igama straight but why exasengathi. You understand? Again, guys, abantu benza noma yini basho noma yini thina nje silela nje ngoba ubaba kaSenzo hamba ngithi ngazi. Can we just fight for the mother now and be given a chance to do that? Then spread the word right lokuthi there were no introduction. Sime nomnisi thina wemvula on Monday on the 19th asimile nomunye umuntu and washo ukuthi ya wabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu wamenza no death. Guys, there's nothing that God did to death. It was the whole thing yokuthi vele the truth, you can't speak the truth inside that court. Wambona uMawumela who used to throw him out, said get out of my court because naye why you totally envelope brown Budilo ushifiwa Mawumela, the one that bulldozed this case. Phela uRatha yambona uRatha, that's what wambona uRatha in a 50 years experience and ekhulume court ukuthi I was asked by JP, I am actually a retired judge. Chifu wavele wayithathela le case kwabe yakhe yaSenzo Meyiwe and he messed it up so badly. Buka ukuthi manje ba end up benjani o deaf ngenxa yakhe. It was just chaotic in that courtroom when that guy was there. It was actually worse than Ratha. Fanele kuRatha ubuyabe nawo ulayini ukuthi can abantu bame njengerula baqonde, can we do this, can we concentrate on this, we did the trial, we did a trial. Buka manje sekume trial because of Ratha. He's not yet great. I mean, that's just my thing. Because now uyabheda lapha ecourt lo baba. Now when no bias. Ke umuzo nje sesisa George Baloyi, advocate. Uzobe business defense. Eyenza abafana bakhe, like I said, how you were speaking to Mnisi in the past week. Ukuthi ubethini kuMnisi. Emthatha lo Mnisi was like ibalo ngithi let me just pack him. Ngizomona nge19. Ngizobabonisa actually both of them named in one. Ukubona lonto bese kuzoba ile case le eyenzakale eFlarehof. iFlarehof is like you're going to road report. When you going to Flarehof, it's just the flats. Ubuka iFlorida on your right, because your right then will be Soweto after that, like your Dobsonville and them. No Tshepisong, they're not far from Flarehof. iFlarehof, guys, umfana on 11 atholakala mastepisi in the following day after a drop a transport to school. What happened to Lumfana? Mina, I think what happened to Lumfana Lona on 11 years. It could have been deleted by Abangani bakhe or someone older was involved. I don't know what is the story around Umfana. Se bamfuna after drop a transport, because we must, the police, if they are investigating, from a drop a transport to school. Then what happened after that? Usetholakala not far from his house ngoba indlu yakubo bathi the flat yakubo ingaphansi, it's downstairs flats khona amanye aphezulu, and then his lifeless body was taken to hospital wafika washonela khona. Guys, is it fair an 11-year-old boy dilute ngale hlobo? It's not right. And my thing is that he was deleted by people that know him khona la complexing. He was dropped off by the transport school, so we must take it from there. What's going on? It happened here though, at the flats. It didn't happen outside. And it was dropped off by the transport. After this, bamfuna the whole afternoon. Babemfihle bemshaya kuphi khona la kulama flat door. Mina, that's just my thing. Just that they didn't tell us if he was still wearing the uniform or whatever. We must also look at things like that. Yeah. Ngisazoqhubeka nesinye story sama-Hawks. Ama-Hawks, they've got beef ne-High Court yase-Pretoria. Khona izinto ey'thathiwe lapho, some information akuzwaniwe. I want to do that video on its own. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. And ngizwile bengiphethwe i-flu, but I pushed ngaforced, and namanje isangiphethe ngiyazama. Because ngoba uYouTube esengikhokhelile, on the 25th of May is my debt payment. I can't give up on you guys. I can't give up on YouTube. I have to push myself. Yeah. Njoba ngisho ukuthi at times people just don't get it, what people have been through. I did tell you my story. I went through a lot for YouTube and demonetizer last year in April. Njoba usungibona ngiqala ukukhokhelwa in March, April, sekuMay manje. It's been hard. It hasn't been easy. YouTube, guys, is not easy. Don't make that mistake. Yeah, making these videos, voice. I literally had no voice on my video. The two videos before this one, literally had no voice at all. But as a first time, my voice is actually not up to standard. But I'm just like, you have to deliver. And Leslie Cooper that I've just delivered, I just feel it is one of my best videos. Thank you so much, guys. In Santa over.